This is live from First Baptist Church, Akotia Line, Kumasi. You are welcome back to our normal program, your Yoruba program. Learn how to read, speak. Learn how to read, write, and speak Yoruba. You are welcome once again. This is your teacher, your sister, your friends, Mrs. Rebecca Haruna, your Yoruba teacher. Mukiwa kúrò lẹ́lẹ́kan sí fún ètò wa, ètò yín. Bá ṣe lè ka Yorùbá, bá ṣe lè kọ́ àti bá ṣe lè sọ Yorùbá. Èmi náà ni kì í ṣẹlòmíì. Àbúrò yín, ẹ̀gbọ́n yín, ọ̀rẹ́ yín, Yáàfin Rebecca Bosede Haruna. Mukiwa káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ètò tá ti ń bá bọ̀ náà ni a bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá ṣe máa ń ṣe. Lórí àwa lórí ìsopọ̀ fáwẹ́lì àti kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì òun náà la wà. Nítorí pé tí àbámẹ́lẹ̀ yìí a ní lè ka ìwé Yorùbá, a sì ní lè sọ èdè Yorùbá. Lágbára Ọlọ́run tá a ṣe níjẹ̀jọ́ òun náà ni màá tún tẹnu mọ́ lónìí láti lè kí ètò yẹn kó lè bá yé wa dáadáa àti láti lè mọ̀ bí tá bá fẹ́ ka ìwé yẹn tàbí tá bá fẹ́ sọ èdè Yorùbá tí ó fi rọ̀ wá lọ́rùn. You are welcome once again to our normal program, that's Yoruba language. I'm going to repeat our last week topic. We are still on combination of vowel and consonants. We are going to look how we are going to combine vowel and consonant together and to make a word. Now we are looking at 3-letter words in Yoruba today. Last week we did 2-letter words. Here we look at wa, w, we plus a in Yoruba. I mean w in English and a in Yoruba that means wa, come. But today we are going to look at 3-letter words. That is combination of letter vowel plus consonant plus vowel equal to a word. That's what we are going to do today. Lónìí mo ṣe sọ síwájú. First of all, I want us to look at our vowel. I told us we have 7 letters that make a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. And this is our consonant too, which contain 18 letters. B, D, F, G, B, E, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, W, Y. That's our consonant. And we want to start from vowel, our vowel. A bẹ̀rẹ̀ látorí vowel Yorùbá. Tá bá wo letter àkọ́kọ́ yìí, a rí pé ó jẹ́ vowel. This vowel on the top, and under it I wrote some words under it. The first letter is A, which means A in English. A in Yoruba alphabet. A in English plus J. Yoruba call it J, J, and English J, letter J, Yoruba letter G, plus A in Yoruba, in English A, equal to Aja. Letter A is vowel, G is consonant, and another A is vowel. It means A plus J plus A equal to Aja. This A means A in English language. A, letter A in English language, and A in Yoruba. We call it A in Yoruba language. In English language is A. So A plus J plus A equal to Aja. Aja means dog in English. Aja, it means dog in English. And the second word under aja is a. That ha is a in English letter plus p. P is a consonant plus another vowel here, which is a equal to apa, hand. That's my hand. Tá bá wo letter a tó tẹ̀lé níbí, ha nínú letter alphabet Yorùbá, nígbà tí àwọn olóyìnbó English pè ní a, letter a, Yorùbá pè ní letter a. Àpapọ̀ ìsopọ̀ pọ̀ mọ́ consonant p, ìsopọ̀ rẹ̀ pọ̀ mọ́ vowel ha, ó wá fún wa ní apá. Apa means hand in English. Apa, it means hands in English. This is another vowel, which is a, letter A. We have 7 vowels. The first one is a. The word under A is a, which is letter E in English. Yoruba call it E in English language. A plus D, letter D. A is vowel, D is consonant, another A is vowel. So when we join it together, it will give us a day. Letter E, A in Yoruba, E in English, plus D plus A, letter A tí àwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní E. Àtàbá sopọ̀ mọ́ consonant D, tá a sopọ̀ mọ́ consonant A kejì, yóò fún wa ní èdè. Èdè means language in English. Èdè. Under vowel, we have a. That's a word under A. Want to look at another word that is under hair? Hair is a word, letter E, that we put dot under it. We call it hair in Yoruba. Hair in Yoruba is another vowel. This is it. Hair, letter E that we put dot under it. That is hair in Yoruba. In Yoruba is hair, is letter E that is dot under it. We call it hair plus yi. This Y, we call this consonant letter Y in Yoruba. In English, in English. With E, letter E with dot under it is called in Yoruba. But English call it E, we call it E. Yoruba call it plus yi. Yoruba call letter Y yi. But in English language, we call it Y. Plus yi plus another hair. It will give us eye means bed. Eye means bed. He with dot, we call it in Yoruba. Plus yi. This is yi in Yoruba, but in English we call it Y, letter Y. Yoruba call it yi plus equal to eye. Eye means bed. Another word under vowel is letter E with dot plus J plus another vowel. Plus consonant J plus vowel A equal to ẹja. Ẹja means fish. Ẹja means fish in English. Another word under vowel E, O, U. So we want to take vowel E. Under vowel E, we have the word I. He, in English language, we call it I, letter I. Yoruba call it E. Plus Gi. Yoruba call this letter G, where in English we call it G, 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 plus another E, 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 E. We call it I in English language. I in English language. Letter E plus G plus E equal to Igi. Igi. Igi means stick. Stick, something like this thing that I'm holding. We call it stick. Igi. Another was under letter E is E plus G plus O. This E in English language we call it I plus G in English language. But Yoruba call this letter G, G, A, B, D, A, F, E, G. G is a consonant. G plus another vowel which is O, E, G, O equal to Ego. Ego. Ego means bottle. Bottle. Ego means bottle. Another word under O, vowel O, is O. O. In English language we call it O2. Letter O. Yoruba call it O2. It's the same thing. With letter G, G. Yoruba English call it J, J. In English language we call it D plus U, U. In English language we call it U, U equal to Oju. O plus vowel O plus consonant J plus vowel U equal to Oju. Oju. Oju means eyes. 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 Oju means eyes. All this one is under vowel. Vowel. How we form a word under vowel. And these are vowel A, E, I, O, U. How to file words under vowel or 3-letter words. This is it. A, under her we have A plus J plus A, Aja. We have Apa, Aja, which is dog. We have Apa, which is hand. We have, this is hand, my hand. Apa, Apa, Apa. And we have Ede, A-D-A, equal to Ede. Ede means language. Language. Another word under E, vowel E plus Y. I said this letter Y, in English language we call it Y. And another hair, letter hair is a under English language. Eja, fish. Another word under vowel E, E plus G, E equal to Igi, stick. Ego, ego. Bottle. Oju equal to Oju, eyes. Oju, Oju.